All right, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at this limit as x approaches 4 from the left. Just to make sure, I'm going to start by factoring a 3 out of the numerator. So that gives me 3 times the quantity x squared minus 4 up top over x minus 2 times x minus 4. It's pretty easy to see at this point that my discontinuity is going to give me a number over 0 when I plug in that 4. That's cluing me into the fact that there's probably a vertical asymptote here as opposed to a whole that can be divided out. If there's a vertical asymptote, I can now say that I can get rid of B, C, and even E because it's a one-sided limit, so I'm going to approach either negative infinity or infinity from one side or the other. Since I'm approaching 4 from the left, I'm going to try a couple of values. I'll try x equals 3 to start out, and I can see if this thing is going to be negative or positive. If it's really going one way or another, my answer is going to be pretty obvious, and I can make a selection at that point. If I plug in x equals 3 to the numerator, I'm going to end up with 3 times 3 squared, which is 9, so 27 minus 12 up top over, let's see here, 3 minus 2 is 1 times negative 1 over negative 1. That gives me a value of negative 15. That negative 15 is pretty negative, and for me, good enough to say that we're going to approach negative infinity since there's no weird behavior going on with this particular function. So my final answer is negative infinity A.